Here at the Brown Sounds Dynamic DJs Entertainers, we are the ones that make your celebration all it can be. So when you hire us, you not only get talented DJs, talented MCs, party entertainers, but you get the love that comes from us to you to make your celebration an outstanding event. Take a look.
DJ, please pick up your phone. I'm on the request line.
Like forever that I have waited for you in a world of disappointment. One thing is true, God has blessed me and He's blessed you too. In a world of lonely people, I found you. Take my hand and hold me close, and don't let me go. You for me and me for you. Together we'll make living alone with no one else. But here you are, and it's so sweet. God must have done this, made you for me. And one day, take my hand and hold me close. Said you, said me for you. Said together we'll make one. We were always sleeping under the same star, dreaming dreams of love, wondering where you are. How blessed I am that I found you. Now that you're here, I'm ready to say I do.
My name is Otis Brown of the Brown Sounds, and before we begin, I want to make sure that you're ready for this wedding celebration. Listen, I'll see you, Kim. Welcome to the Brown Sounds Workout Plan. We're just trying to warm things up for your main course. I see you, Keisha. Go ahead, Jason.
Come on now. Put your hands up, please. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, if you're still standing, you're out.
Baby, they're breaking the chair.
Gentlemen, if you do not have a lady, you're out.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, what's going on?
Walk it by yourself, walk it by yourself, do the Cupid shuffle.
Let me see you
Do the Cupid shuffle.
And I'm forever indebted, and I'm forever indebted, I'm forever indebted to her cause when a woman loves, she
Once again, with love from the Brown Sounds, have a good night.